What I'm just doing, Quinn, if you're joining us, or those people on the internet who are just joining us, and just recapping Friday to make sure that it's good for everyone. Okay, let's start doing the calculations part here. Kim, I'm going to start with you at the easy one. How much money will he be earning if he works 0 hours? 0, that's the easy one, okay? So it's going to be, what was the price? I'm going to write the formal like 21 times 0, which is just conveniently equal to 0. So he's going to earn $0. Which makes sense, you don't work any time or anything. Lisa, you get one that's a slight bit more difficult. If he works 20 hours, how am I going to calculate that out? Sounds good to me. Use your calculator, please. Thank you very much. This is 420. Okay, have I lost anybody yet? Because this is where life is going to get difficult. Okay. We're okay? We're all okay? Because this is the difficult part right here. If he works 40 hours, I'm going to open this up to anybody. But Jake, you can take it since it's your question. How many hours are regular and how many hours are overtime? Sure? Not half. If it's... Thank you. So, I don't know if everyone heard. That's going to go there, please. Okay. Well, so just to make sure, there's $21 an hour. The first 35 are regular. Okay, so everyone see that? And then the next, I can't remember the next 31.50 was. Okay, so this is going to be your regular. You don't have to write that red stuff, that's sort of to help you understand. Okay, so there's 40 hours. The first 35 are at the $21 an hour. The next 5 are $31.50. Are we okay on that? Because there will be someone on their test, Jake, and I hope it's not you. I understand the game here, okay? I don't want it to be that they just tell me it's 31. Why is it not 31.50 times 40? What would that mean? It was 31.50 times 40. What would that mean? Oh, Father, stay with me here. What would that mean? Oh. It means I get a huge paycheck, okay? What that would mean if it was 31.50 times 40, that would mean that the second I work over 35 hours, all of my old time would also be time and a half. Do you see that? This is the way it's going to work. You're going to get your regular rate. Then once you're done with 35, then it's going to get up from there. All right, with that piece of knowledge, Jake, you have a calculator. Put that in for me, please. Okay, volunteer. 31.50 times 5 plus 21 times 35. Oh goodness, you guys are wide awake here. You guys all sick like this is more? Come on, guys, let's go. We got wait. What? Just type in this. Do 31.5 times 5. Some coffee. Yep. No good. The whole thing. Try again. Just 21. Just do this. Start with this. 21 times 35. Do that. 735. Sounds like mine. Thank you. 892.5. Okay. Pause because I'm going to start getting a little more fired up. All right, ladies and gents, I'm going to pause this. I'd like you guys to do the 80-60 for me right now. Let's just go through here, okay? So we have to think here for this. We're going to have 2 sections for this question. Yes. We're going to have our regular, and then you're going to plus your time, your overtime, your time and a half. Okay, how many hours are regular? This way, guys, please. Let's do hours here. How many hours are regular? 35, thank you. So this is the thing we gotta be careful because people are getting mixed up. If there's 60 hours altogether, so okay, rather than scribbling, I need everyone focus here. If there's 60 hours altogether, how many are at time and a half then?
That's 5.
No, not for 60 hours. If there's 60, it's 60.
I don't even know.
25, right? So the way it's going to go and how you got that, I hope, was you just did 60 minus 35, right? So there was 35 hours at regular, then 25 hours of time now. Are we okay? Please ask if not, because I'm going to put the money in here in a sec. You got the hours in here. We're good? Okay, let's try the same thing for 80. We'll do the money after, okay? Yes? Flower glasses? Yes, I did. The power of the internet can't see that, though. The internet only hears my voice, that's it. All right, for the hours, for 80, it's just going to be the same thing then. So we're going to have regular, we're going to have time and a half, and then we're going to have double time. So the same thing's going to happen. We're going to have 35 hours at regular, 25 hours of time and a half. How many hours of double time then? How many hours of double time? Yeah. That's the money is 42. The money is 42. 20 hours. Okay, so just think before we think about money here, all we're worried about is the hours right now. Okay, so it has to add up to 80 hours, right? 35 hours, 25 should be your 60, plus another 20 should be your 80. Now for your money, you're exactly right, okay? For the time and for the double time, we'll do money in green because money is green, at least in the States. Okay, 42 times 60 is going to be your double time. 3150 in the middle, and 3150 in the middle. And then 21 over here, 21 over there. Okay, I'm missing something. This is more. Do you want to keep clarifying anyway here? Something I'm saying was not clear. You just got to think the hours and the money and the hours are separate. That's what you got to think of, right? Like that's why hopefully this thing out here is somewhat okay. What I would like you to do right now is to calculate for me because I can't do this in my head. What's 21 times 35? I think that's 735, I hope. Good. Now, what is 31.5 times 25? 1050? You sure? Is that right? I don't think so. Let me read that. 31.5 times 25? I got 600 and something. How much? 707.5?
787.5.
Lovely. So that should be, whoa. So let me add those two. I don't really calculate up here. 14, 15, 22.5. Someone confirm that?
Yes.
Is correct?
Yes.
Okay. While I'm doing this up here, what you should be doing is getting your little calculators out at home and making sure you can get the same answer. Right? Because it won't be me doing this for you or you guys doing this for yourself in about 10 seconds. All right, then the same thing for the last one. If you have a super calculator, you do it all in one go. I think the final answer should be 2362.50. That's I think the final answer should be. Someone can confirm that for me, Mrs. Moore. I believe that's right.
Yes.
It's amazing. It's amazing I can do that in my head. Now, how I did that, if you care. If you don't care, that's fine. You'll notice these two things are the same, right? The first two parts are the same. I just added the last part on. All right, I'm going to hit stop and give you your choice assignment. Okay, before I do that, I'm going to do the heads down on the desk. So you can answer me honestly whatever you want. Whoops, you guys didn't need to see that.